Hi everyone, for those who don't know me, my name is Tyanna and welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Soldier Poet King on the ukulele by the Oh Hellos, and this is requested by someone, and so thank you for pitching this song. It's really nice and folky and upbeat and happy, and so if you haven't heard it, then I recommend for you to go and check it out. Like always, if you have any suggestions as to which type of songs you want to be taught, then please go ahead and comment below. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of me, then please hit the subscribe button. So with all that, let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, like always, we're going to be starting out with the chords that are used, and in this song there's mainly 4, but there is a 5th one that you will be using. So the first chord you'll be using is C. The next chord you'll be using is F. The next chord you'll be using is D minor. The 4th chord you'll be using is A minor. And the last chord that we'll only use once is called D5, whatever that means. Cool, so once you master the chords that we'll be using, we'll go ahead and demonstrate the strumming pattern. There are 2 main strumming patterns that I use. The first one, I will probably put the tabs in black, and the second one, I'll put the tabs in red, and so you guys can see which ones they are while we're playing it together. So the first strumming pattern goes like this, and you want to be mainly using your thumb. So what you want to realize is that with this first strumming pattern, with every beat that's being strummed down, you're going to want to have it a little more emphasized. The second strumming pattern goes like this. It'll be a little later in the song. So with that strumming pattern, you want to understand that the first and third beat is going to be more emphasized with the down strumming. Cool, so once you get an understanding of how the strumming pattern is, we will just go on and start learning the song. So with this song, I don't really know the lyrics to this, so I can't really sing it like I usually do, but I will probably just hum the melody to just show some guidance of where we are. So for simplicity, the introduction, it's not really going to have a fingering picking pattern, it's just more going to be strumming. So this is how it goes. So here is the introduction. Here are the first 2 verses. You tear the city down, now lay you lie, oh Lord. There will come a poet, lay you lie, oh Lord. Lay you lie, oh Lord. He will tear the city down, now lay you lie, oh Lord. The little middle part that'll go between this verse and the next verse, this is where we'll start to pick up the energy a little bit. We'll start using the next strumming pattern for this. So for this last verse, we're going to be using the same strumming pattern as the first part, but since the energy in this part of the song is increasing, you're going to want to probably strum down on the downbeats a little more harder to just ramp up the energy. And then now we'll have the most upbeat part of the song. We'll be using the second strumming pattern the whole way, but instead of just using our thumb, we'll be using our nails. So it'll be louder and more energetic. Yay, so that is pretty much the whole song. So when you are done practicing and pausing and going back and such, then like always we will play the whole song together, and this time I will not hum anything. So here we go. So you guys have finally learned Soldier Poet King by the Oh Hellos, and I hope that you guys found this tutorial in some way. Again, if you have any requests, then please go ahead and comment and I will be sure to get it. Summer is here and I'm jobless, so that means I have more time to do this. Sorry for this person that was requesting this song. Yeah, a lot of school stuff and a lot of moving was happening. See, it's still kind of messy in the back. But yeah, I'll hope to get more to you guys soon. And with that, till next time guys, bye!